Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. How do we evaluate this expression, this radical, without the use of the calculator? The square root of 111,556. It is pretty easy. By taking some simple steps, we can evaluate this without stress. Okay, so we take our solution. Now, the first thing we have to do here is to separate these figures. From where are we going to start the separation? Because we have 111 here, so we're going to start the separation from there. So this should be written as the square root of our 111. Then we still have three digits here. We'll replace them with 0, 0, 0, 0, plus our 5, 5, 6. You will agree with me that if you add this and this together, it will take us back to this, right? Good. Now we have this. We now consider the next digit that appears special, which is 5, 5. We want to separate 5, 5 from the 6. And how do we do that? Because we're already having 1, 1, 1, and here we're having 0, 0, 0. So we want to also have 5, 5, 5 here. So this now gives us, can now rewrite this as our 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 1. Okay, so if we add this to this, it will give us this back, right? Good. So what do we do next here now? We separate this 111 from this 00. And also, so long we're going to have 111 separated out, we want to also have 111 out from here. I end up writing the whole of this as our 111 then times 1000, right? If we use this to multiply this to give us this back. Then on this other side, we're going to have 5 into our 111, right? So plus our 1. Let's cover everything here. All right. So what to do next is this. Look at these 1000. We can rewrite 1000 as 999 plus 1, right? Good. So let's rewrite this. This is going to give us our 111 then times the 1000 could be written as our 999 plus 1. Okay, so put our 1 here, so plus 1, but let's put this in bracket. Okay, plus 1, then we have our 5 times our 111 plus 1 on this other side. I believe there's no confusion here. All right. With this, we can use this to open up this bracket here now. You get it? So let's use this to times this. So this is going to give us the square root of our 111 times 999 plus 111 times 1. Get it? There plus our 5 times 111 plus 1. Now let's look at this expression we have here together. Look at this expression we have down to this place. We can rework on this place here. How? We can factor out 111 from here. So if we do that, this is going to give us our square root of 111 times 999 plus our 111 into, if we use 1 to divide this, we are left with 1 plus, we use 1 to divide this, we are left with 5 bracket plus 1. And this will end up giving us our 111 times 999 then plus our 111 times our 6 plus 1. Wow, are you seeing the game playing out here? Again, look at our 999. We can still bring out 111 from here. So let's take this the square root of our 111 times our 9 into 111 plus bracket plus 111 times R6 plus 1. Then we have to rewrite this 9. That is 3 times 3. And we have to rewrite this 6, which is 2 times 3. So rewriting that will now give us our 111 times our 3 times 3 to our 111 plus 111 times 3 times 2 plus 1. Let's extend this. Okay, so with this we have here, we now discover that here we can use this to multiply this, use this to multiply this separately. So we're going to have this one separately, we're going to have this one separately. So we have two of it. So we can rewrite this as the square root of our 111 times 3 raised to power 2. Okay, now let's look at this. With this we have here, now we still have 111, but we have two of it. So this could be written as plus our 2 into 111 times 3 close bracket plus 1. What can you see from here? An algebraic identity is already playing out. Remember, the algebraic identity, it says that when you have your x, let's take our x plus your y all raised to the power of 2, this is equal to your x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. Remember this identity? This algebraic identity? Yes. So with this, we can see such an identity playing out here, right? So let's rewrite this in this format. So rewriting this in this format means that our square root of our, so if we multiply out, this will give us square root of our 3 3 3 all raised to the power of 2 plus 2 into 3 3 3 close bracket plus our 1, right? So this expression can be expressed in this form, because the way it is here now is what we have here now. So expressing this in this format will automatically give us the square root of our 3 3 3 plus 1 all raised to power 2. So what happened? This and this. This now implies that the square root of our 111,556 is equal to our 333 plus 1. Okay, so if we add this to this, it's going to give us 334. So this is the final answer when you evaluate this expression without the use of the calculator. Thank you for watching. This brings us to the end of this smart class. Give our video a thumbs up if you gain a value from this video, and subscribe if you've not subscribed. Thank you. See you next.